In this example, we have parentheses, we have brackets, and we have braces. So first we always check if we can do something in the parentheses. Next is bracket, and the last are braces. So let's see what we can do in the parentheses. We have y minus 2, different terms, so we can only rewrite them. Before parentheses we don't have any sign, it means it's positive. So when we have positive sign, we just copy whatever we have inside parentheses. Next we have negative sign before braces, so we copy this, open brackets, and again we have to check first what we have in parentheses, so y we rewrite, and before parentheses we have negative sign. It means we have to change every sign inside parentheses to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's positive, so now will be negative y, and we have negative 2, so it will be now positive 2. Close brackets. One more time, it's like multiplication. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative give me positive. And we have negative y, close braces. So this is equal. We have to copy y minus 2, negative sign, open braces. First we have to check if we can do something in the brackets. We have y minus y, so this is 0, so we can cancel out this. So now in brackets we have only 2. So we can take down this bracket and we have just 2 minus y we have to copy. Close braces, this is equal. Now inside braces we have 2 minus y, different terms, we cannot do anything. So we take down the braces, and because we have negative sign before braces, it means we have to change the sign every term inside braces. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So y minus 2 we copy. Now we have positive 2, so it will be negative 2. Negative y, so will be positive y. In other words, we have just multiplication here. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. So now we have to combine the like terms. We have y plus y, and we have negative 2 and negative 2. When we don't have coefficients, it's invisible 1. So 1y plus 1y, both terms are positive. When we don't have sign, it's positive, so we copy positive sign and we just add 1 plus 1 is 2, and y we have to rewrite. And next we have negative 2 and negative 2. Both terms are negative, so we keep the sign negative and we just add 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is equal. We don't have to write positive sign before the first term, so we have just 2y minus 4. This is my solution.